That's what you're going to be playing in the background. Okay, Grant. Ah, love that smell of Mexican sea breeze. Delish. Hello everyone, today is National Margarita Day and I'm going to be making a margarita, but with a twist. Instead of tequila, we're switching it up with this Bushmills Causeway Collection 12-year-old tequila cask finish. Instead of using simple sugar syrup, we're using agave. Next, our lime juice. Make sure never to chill your limes before squeezing. Up next, triple sec, a French orange liqueur that will add some zest to your cocktail. Finally, our delicious whiskey. Using a wedge of lime, rim your glass until it's nice and wet. Then dab it gently into a plate of salt. Fill your shaker to the top with ice. Seal it tight and shake it hard. And pour. Cheers to National Margarita Day. Crunchy salt. There's too much salt on that.